In this presentation, we will talk about isolation factors, which are reproductive, behavioral, and geographic isolation. As new species evolve, populations become reproductively isolated from each other. This is called reproductive isolation. It happens when the members of two populations cannot interbreed and produce fertile offspring. So, if we have two rabbits of different populations, one black and the other white, they aren't able to mate. Damn! Populations have separate gene pools. But wait, what is a gene pool? It is the collective amount of genes in a population. For example, if your family's gene pool is shallow, the stereotype is that you're dumb, because the more diverse genes are, the better. They respond to natural selection or genetic drift as separate units. Natural selection is the survival of the fittest. But wait, what is genetic drifting? Imagine there are two rabbit populations separated by a river. One population of white rabbits and the other of red and black. The red and black have more chances of surviving because they can mate. Therefore, their gene pools are more diverse, while white population can only mate within their same genes. There are two ways to develop reproductive isolation, which are geographic and behavioral isolation. Now we're going to talk about behavioral isolation, which means that when two populations have enough similar characteristics to interbreed, but because of their own behaviors, they don't want to. This could be shown by the eastern meadowlark and western meadowlark, which have overlapping ranges. They do not interbreed because they have different mating songs. So, an example in our society would be the Chinese and Spanish population. Their languages are very different. Therefore, they wouldn't want to mate because they can't communicate. But still, they could because they're humans. The last isolation has arrived, geographic. When two populations are separated by geographic barriers such as rivers, mountains, or bodies of water, new species can develop. For example, the kaibab squirrels evolved from the A-bird squirrels. The kaibab squirrels were isolated from their main populations by the Colorado River, so they adapt to the new environment and develop new traits. All right, this is the end of this marvelous presentation. Hope you understand everything about the three existent isolating factors. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your attention. Bye! This has been a Sonus production. You can find us at sonusproductions.com.